but we're going to do a cool science experiment we learned from KIWI. We went to their channel and we saw the lava lamp thing, so we decided to make it. Here's what you'll need. You'll need oil, water, food coloring. Okay, now the bubbly fizz one. Grandpa's denture cleaning tablet. That's what we'll be using to make bubbles. Now let's make it. The first thing you'll do is use your oil, fill 3/4 of your water bottle. This oil, oh, so heavy. Okay, this is very heavy. I'm gonna ask my mom for help. You'll need water. We'll fill it all the way to the top. Pour. The water will sink to the bottom because the water is heavier than the oil. You'll hold I'll dump in the water. Now as the coloring, I'm going to be using green, grass green. I need red. And then you'll mix it up gently, but first screw on your lid. Okay, that's about good. Okay, screw off your lid, and then add it to Grandpa's cleaning tablet. Okay, now second one. Wow, it's super cool. Yeah. Let's add a little tablet if you want it to extra fizz, but it's not filled with soda, so let's add some extra. Wow. Mine looks like it's going faster. 1, 2, 3. What's happening here is the color bubbles are going up and then sinking back down because of the water. It's heavier. Super cool. Mine's going a little faster. It's super cool. It's like elephant toothpaste. Mine's going super fast. Mine is so cool. This is so super cool. It's gonna explode and wow, look, mine is going everywhere. We had fun making this project. We saw that when the bubbles are going up, they touch the top and they wait for about like 1 minute and then they go back down. And it's very cool because like the bottom can sometimes like move up to the top. Everyone, I hope you also do this experiment at home.